Sir, the Builder. Their charge? To defend Sanctuary against the burning hells. To use their strength to keep the relentless demons at bay. To be a beacon of hope and light. But victories are temporary, and the Immortals can never relent or yield. Even if all hope seems lost, they must find the courage to stand defiant for all time.
Do you know now why you were called? I did not know either before. Find you worthy of the power, and for that alone, they will kill. But they do not know you, not truly. Show them. Banish your fear. You have proven yourself.
My health is restored. He must recharge. Energy.
They were wrong. You can be worthy. You will. Now return. End this dream.
Are you back with me? Good. Remember, we are but one side of the coin. Stay and read as much of...
Been chatting with the Unspoken? Doesn't surprise me. Normally, access to the Court of Whispers is restricted to our members only. But we'll make an exception for you. This time. Akiba, daughter of Deodessa, founded the Shadows. Though she is long dead.
You think you have what it takes to walk this path? You must work unseen.
Many say they want to protect.
We test the Immortals. Prepare yourself.
A dark burden given, and a hidden force created. One that could step up should the mightiest immortal fail. The Shadows, constant challengers to the would-be defenders of Sanctuary. They would test the Immortals, looking for weakness and apathy. Led by Akiba, the Shadows would overthrow the Immortals when the time was right. But even in victory, she knew her watch had just begun. For this is an eternal cycle.
The battle hall of a great hero. Plagued by... My brother was a great hero. Unlike any before or since. The strongest. The wisest. Bring down the Immortal. Reclaim...
A lot weight, it seems.
It had to be done. Good that you did not hesitate. Should the Immortals become unworthy of their station, we will be there to remove them and take up the mantle. Always. No matter who wears the crown. Return to your...
And now you know the truth.
Are the ones making sure the Immortals never become corrupt?
Yes. Though Akiba and Kaya, you may simply continue as an adventurer. Listen for